Also tonight, a growing legal challenge with the nation's strictest abortion ban now law here in Oklahoma.
The lawsuit taking aim at two laws either restricting or banning the procedure. News 4's Austin Brissett joins us to explain. Austin.
Well, Jolene, Kevin, the lawsuit was originally filed trying to block another Oklahoma abortion law. And as you said, it's now being expanded to fight the law that bans all abortions at conception.
I said on the campaign trail that I would sign every piece of pro-life legislation that hit my desk. I'm fulfilling that promise. I don't know why anybody would expect me not to sign it.
HB 4327 has ended abortion care in Oklahoma, sending thousands of people into chaos.
With Governor Kevin Stitt's signature, the strictest abortion bill in the country is now law, banning all abortions at conception, with the only exceptions being to save a woman's life or if the pregnancy was the result of rape or incest. It also allows citizens to sue abortion providers or anyone that aids someone in getting the procedure.
I believe
Stitt addressing the signing in a Thursday news conference.
We don't believe in abortion in Oklahoma. We don't want it in our state.
But Thursday morning, the Center for Reproductive Rights filed this 27-page lawsuit with the Oklahoma Supreme Court, originally to block Oklahoma's Heartbeat Act, the Texas-style law where no abortion could be performed as soon as a fetal heartbeat is detected.
We're going to ask the court to rule on them at the same time. And we hope that the court will step in to prevent the widespread harms that have been occurring.
And now the lawsuit also includes the new law, saying it, quote, imposes mandatory draconian penalties and bans all abortions unless it's extremely narrow circumstances, labeling it unconstitutional. The ACLU also saying they're on board.
Definitely disappointed, but not surprised. We've been anticipating and working with our Reproductive Health Coalition all legislative session, preparing for this moment.
We can love the mother, we can love the child, we can put resources in to be the #1 state in adoption services.
Well, the Center for Reproductive Rights says they don't know the timeline for when the state Supreme Court could rule on the lawsuit.
We'll see what happens. Thank you. At our state capitol as well, Governor Kevin Stitt calling a special session and calling out lawmakers saying they didn't provide Oklahomans real relief when it comes to inflation. The governor making that announcement while voicing frustration over this year's $10 billion budget bill. He says he will veto certain items, including one that would send $75 payments to Oklahomans to help fight inflation, which is at a 40-year high. The governor says those checks would not provide sufficient relief because they would be federally taxed.
Families need real relief right now. That's what I intend to deliver for them. My inflation relief plan includes eliminating the state grocery tax and cutting personal income taxes for every single Oklahoman. This will save the average Oklahoma family $453 each and every year.
The special session is set to start June 13th, but lawmakers, if they want, can just gavel in and gavel out of that special session without making any changes the governor wants. They can also override those vetoes by the governor.